Hello friends, welcome to Sri Agarwal Academy. I Ratan Agarwal welcome you all to today's session. Today what are we going to learn, sir? We are going to learn about factorization of cubic expressions. So what are the factors of a cube plus b cube? What are the factors of a cube minus b cube? This is what we are going to learn today. So let us see factorization. Factorization. In the previous video, I have told you the concept of factorization. Factorization is a process of breaking down a given number or polynomial into two or more terms such that when they are multiplied, the original polynomial or original number is obtained. So let us see the factorization of a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube. To know the factorization of a cube plus b cube, we should know the expansion of a plus b bracket cube. So now let us see the derivation. We know that a plus b bracket cube is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube, if you remember. And now we will make it slightly compact by taking 3ab common in these two terms. So 3ab into bracket a plus b cube. So this is the expansion of a plus b bracket cube. Now because we want a cube plus b cube, which is there on the right hand side, we will write both these terms one after another, and this 3ab we will write as the last term. In addition, you can change the sequence. In multiplication, you can change the sequence. But in subtraction and in division, you can't change the sequence. The answer will go wrong. The problem will change completely. Now, because we want a cube plus b cube, we want only these two people. We don't want this person. We will send him on the other side. Therefore, a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b bracket cube minus 3ab into bracket a plus b. I hope you understood. I sent this on this side, it became minus, and now a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b bracket cube minus 3ab. Now in this a plus b bracket cube, we are having the bracket 3 times. I will write it like this, 1 time and 2 times, minus 3ab into bracket a plus b. Now sir, this bracket is common in both the terms. We can take it common. So in the next step, I am going to take a plus b common. What remains inside is a plus b bracket square minus 3ab. Now we have to simplify inside the bracket. So this is a plus b, no change. A plus b bracket square is a square plus 2ab plus b square minus 3ab. Sir, these two terms are similar terms, like terms. So they have to be taken together. So a plus b into a square, 2 apples minus 3 apples is minus 1 apple. So finally, a cube plus b cube has 2 factors. First factor is a plus b, second factor is a square minus ab plus b square. I would explain to you all this slightly. If the bracket has plus, if a cube plus b cube's factor are to be found out, it has 2 factors, first bracket and second bracket. The first bracket is a linear factor, the second factor is a cubic factor, quadratic factor. I'm sorry, first factor is linear, second factor is quadratic. The first bracket has a sign same as the original expression. In the second bracket, the first sign is opposite to this sign and the second sign is always positive. B square is always positive. So I am again telling you, a cube plus b cube's factors are 2 factors, linear factor and a quadratic factor. in the first bracket the sign will be same as the original sign. In this bracket the first sign will be opposite of this sign and the last sign will always be plus. So this is the factorization of a cube plus b cube. I hope you understood the factorization of a cube plus b cube, and now we are going to its immediately next and obvious factorization of a cube minus b cube. So sir, what are the factors of a cube minus b cube? To know the factors of a cube minus b cube, we also again have to consider the expansion of a minus b bracket cube. So I will write, we know a minus b bracket cube equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube plus minus plus minus. You know this expansion. And now we will write it in the compact form a cube. From these two terms we are going to take minus 3ab common. What remains inside is a minus b cube. Now see friends, on the right hand side we have a cube and we have a minus b cube. We will write them one after another, and this term we will write at the end, no issues at all. Now in the next step what we are going to do is, because we want to find a expression for a cube minus b cube, this term is not wanted, we will send it on the other side. Minus becomes plus when it goes on the other side. So I will write therefore a cube minus b cube, these two people, is equal to a minus b bracket cube minus becomes plus 3ab into bracket a minus b. Now again, like we saw here, this a minus b bracket cube means a minus b and a minus b bracket square plus 3ab into bracket a minus b. Now if you can see, this bracket is common. So we will take out this bracket as common, a minus b. What remains inside is a minus b bracket square plus 3ab. Now let us simplify. So this is equal to a minus b into a minus b bracket square means a square minus 2ab plus b square plus 3ab. Now if you see, these two terms are like terms, we can take their addition. So this would become a minus b into a square minus 2 apples plus 3 apples is plus 1 apple plus b square. Matter is over. This is a cube minus b cube. So finally I am writing the factors of a cube minus b cube are two factors, two brackets. The first bracket is a linear bracket and the second bracket is a quadratic bracket. The sign in the first bracket is the same as the original sign. In the second bracket, the sign is opposite to this sign and the last term is always positive, b square is always positive. So the factors of a cube minus b cube are a minus b into bracket a square plus ab plus b square. These two factorizations are going to help us when we want to factorize complex polynomials, complex binomials having many different terms. We will see that in the next video. I am uploading all this in the playlist on my YouTube channel called Sri Agarwal Academy. I am also available on Facebook. I am also available on Instagram. Do follow me so that you can get lot of concepts cleared and make maths your best friend. Thank you very much, my dear friends.